Sears Dishwasher Repair Authorized Service in Los Angeles is a premier appliance repair service company, employing only factory-trained Sears dishwasher repair technicians. Our technicians are trained in Sears dishwasher repair and Sears dishwasher service, Sears washer repair, Sears dryer repair, Sears refrigerator repair, Sears oven repair, and much more. We have technicians standing by in Los Angeles and the surrounding areas such as Beverly Hills, Santa Monica, Orange County, San Fernando Valley, Malibu, Oxnard, Sherman Oaks, Brentwood, West Los Angeles, Pasadena, and Burbank. Call us today at 877-309-7770. One of our friendly operators would be glad to assist you in setting up an appointment.